Welcome to WPGA, a prestigious independent school that prides itself in shaping lives of inquiry, action, and joy. The campus is pristine, the teachers respectable, and the students top class. But underneath this shiny veneer lies something darker, a sinister underbelly, from the House Point scam to the now infamous heist. This school has a long history of criminal organizations. Now we move on to the new criminal organization on the rise, led by Sam Anthony.
Alright boys, pack it up. Hey Dacton, hang back a minute.
What's up, boss?
You know, I've been running this operation for the past few years and I think it's finally time to pass the torch.
That means a lot. Thank you.
Don't screw it up.
How'd you find me?
You dropped this. Don't worry. Nobody's looking for you.
What do you want, yo?
I'm curious. I never expected you to amount to very much. But junk food? Really? Is there a lot of money in that? Like I said, nobody's looking for you.
Yo, Mr. Butler, I don't know what you think you're doing here, but if you're trying to teach me a life lesson, don't.
No, not really. You lost your associate today. He's going to university. The prefects have your stuff. They've got your money. You've got nothing. You're back to square one. The way I see it, you know the business, and I know the product. I think we should partner up.